What is going on, AD fam? Welcome to another video. It is a freaking beautiful day in Ohio. Temperatures are finally climbing. I think we're done with the snow for the year. So that means we're gonna be spending more time outdoors. So today, me and Diesel, we're gonna start off doing some basic things and making sure this thing is good to go for the season or month or however long I keep it. Now, the previous owner said he had just had this serviced, but we all know how that goes. Fluids are cheap, it's easy to do, and it's gonna give me a peace of mind that I know it's done right. That being said, when it comes to fluids, you wanna run the best. So today's video is proudly sponsored by Team AMSOIL. We got a couple easy packs of diff fluid. Makes for a super clean change and there's a lot less waste. And of course we got their synthetic 10W40 motor oil. So we got the goods. Let's start in the front and work our way back. Got a 10 mil in the front here. Go ahead and loosen that up. Woo! Actually looks really good. Got a little bit of color to it, but not bad. It makes me think that it has been serviced because I don't think it would look like that if it hadn't been changed since 2016. This drain bolt's only supposed to be torqued to 9 foot-pounds, so be easy. You don't want to He-Man it and strip it out. That's your fill plug right there, 17 mil. Doesn't take much, but you're gonna want to fill it until it starts running out. Woo! You can actually see the level. It's filled perfect. Everything looks good inside. Let's go ahead and seal it up. Same exact process in the rear. I am expecting this to be a little bit dirtier. Who knows? I was surprised the first time. And it's clean. That's crazy. Love to see it. So far, all the fluids have been clean. Let's see how the oil looks. Definitely needed change, but still got a little gold in there. I think we're gonna need a bigger container here, fellas. Oh my God! Didn't realize how much freaking oil this thing holds. Like a damn tanker. While we got the seat off, I'm gonna go ahead and check the air filter. This is the only thing that I don't have high hopes for. This is one of the most neglected maintenance items. Oh my God. Yeah, we had some mice hanging out in there. Hopefully they didn't chew through the filter cover. Great. Not a lot of good fresh oil is gonna do if we don't have clean air coming in, so this is terrible. We are gonna be able to clean this, but oh my God. We got like a mice playground going on. Thankfully, nothing in the intake. I bet you there's dead mice in here. You should not be barehanding this stuff. They carry disease. Yep, we got a carcass in there. Woo! Oh, there's 2 carcasses. 3! We're gonna have to get the shop back for this one. That's good enough for now. We're gonna have to crack this back open when we do the snorkel anyway, so I'll clean it up better then. Old girl takes 3 quarts of the good stuff after a full change. We'll probably do like 2.5 and start it up and see where we're at. That didn't even register, so 3 it is. That's just about perfect. And to wrap things up, we're gonna coat her in some mudslinger and have this thing looking brand new. Well, you guys, I pretty much walked you through a full service on these newer Hondas. Overall, it's really easy to do, and once again, I just gotta give a huge shout out to AMSOIL. Not only did they sponsor this video, but me and my buddies have been using their products for years, and we swear by their stuff. So I'll drop it down in the description below, but be sure to check out amsoil.com for all your fluid needs. It really is good stuff, guys. I'm not just saying that. So everything in the Rancher is fresh. I got that peace of mind. The oil did look pretty rough, but both the diffs were good. And I don't know if you can see this. I wish I would have filmed it, but check this out. I had this old kayak seat sitting around, and it just so happened to line up perfectly. Just zip tied it to the rack, and it's got a rubber coating on the rail, so it's not gonna scratch up your rack. I don't want to say anything too much, but I think this is going to be the perfect option, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like if you're excited for this Rancher build. Wheels and tires should be on the way. So stay tuned for that, man. I'm pumped. Subscribe if you're new. Turn those post notifications on so you don't miss out. And until the next video, I'll see you then.